So let's talk about the Capstone experience, which is one of the key differentiators of the Berkeley MNG program, and also not quite clear to some of our applicants. Before I get into more detail, I want to touch on the philosophy of a Capstone project. Each project exposes you to three phases of the innovation cycle: need, technology, and solution. Each project needs to have all three components to accomplish its goal, which is to create a concrete, positive, societal, or technological outcome. Capstones are all about learning from experience and being in the experiential learning environment with your peers. Typically at a university, the emphasis is classroom learning. But once you enter the professional world, there's not always a clearly predefined problem set, a textbook, or a professor to guide you. And you very often need to work in teams with other professionals. You want to make sure that once you get to that stage in your life, you are prepared. Capstones are specifically designed to learn from experience, to prepare you for project management, teaming, and handling conflicts in a real-world industry environment. Each project is a real-life technical problem without a preset solution. The Capstone project places a strong emphasis on integrative learning, which stems from the fact that our students are innovating rather than inventing. They create value by solving existing needs of specific stakeholders in specific situations, rather than doing something which has never been done before. The Capstone is all about producing rather than consuming knowledge. There will be no syllabus. Your work on your project plan and the team charter in your group is going to be supported through the teaming and project management courses. Your industry or faculty advisors are not instructors or supervisors. They have expertise within a particular engineering area, but they do not have pre-existing knowledge around your project. Your advisor will guide you, but it's you and your team who will create a project plan and follow it all the way to its conclusion. This means that you need to set up your own SMART goals, which are specific, measurable, action-driven, results-oriented, and time-bound. And finally, we have two types of projects: university-led projects, which are supervised by the College of Engineering faculty, typically working on an internal technology. And on the flip side, we have partner-led projects. These are supervised by an industry advisor or a technical expert who comes from outside of UC Berkeley. Sometimes this work is proprietary, and sometimes it's innovating on an already existing product. We have had some projects in the past working with partners such as General Motors, NASA, Volvo, Siemens, and many more. Some of the previous Capstone projects focused on practical goals in the above areas. For example, improving traffic in San Francisco or improving data analytics at airports. Capstones are designed to be interdisciplinary in terms of what research and technology they use, and also through working on a team with students from multiple departments. As you can see, the main focus of the project often falls within one department more than the others.